Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Quietum Plus for tinnitus relief. In this video, we will provide step-by-step instructions to help you effectively use this product and find relief from tinnitus. Before we proceed to using Quietum Plus, it is important to understand what tinnitus is. Tinnitus is a condition characterized by the perception of noise or ringing in the ears. It can be caused by various factors, such as exposure to loud noises, age-related hearing loss, or underlying health conditions. To use Quietum Plus for tinnitus relief, you will need a few materials. These include a bottle of Quietum Plus supplement, a glass of water, and a comfortable place to sit. Now, let's move on to the actual process of taking Quietum Plus for tinnitus relief. Start by opening the bottle of Quietum Plus and taking out the recommended dosage of capsules. Take the capsules with a glass of water, following the instructions provided on the product label. Consistency is key when using Quietum Plus for tinnitus relief. It is important to establish a routine and take the supplement at the same time every day. This will help optimize its effectiveness and provide better results in the long run. After you start using Quietum Plus, it's important to monitor any changes or improvements in your tinnitus symptoms. Keep track of your progress and adjust your usage if necessary. If you have any concerns or questions, consult a healthcare professional for guidance. That concludes our tutorial on how to use Quietum Plus for tinnitus relief. By following these step-by-step instructions and maintaining a consistent routine, you can experience relief from tinnitus symptoms. Remember, if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to the Quietum Plus support team.